Error detection if an odd number of bits or including the parity bit are transmitted incorrectly, the parity bit will be encouraged. Thus indicating that a parity error in the transmission, the parity bit is only suitable for detecting error. It cannot correct any errors, as there is no way to determine which particular bit is corrupted. The data must be discarded entirely and retransmitted from storage on a noisy transmission medium. Successful transmission can therefore take a long time or even never occur. However, parity has the advantage that it uses only a single bit and requires only a number of XOR gates to generate. See Hamming code for an example of an error correcting code. Parity bit checking is used occasionally for transmitting ISCII character which have 7 bits, leaving the 16th bit as a parity bit. For example, the parity bit can be computed as follows. Assume Alice and Bob are communicating and Alice wants to send Bob the sample for bit message. Usage because of its simplicity. Parity is used in many hardware applications where an operation can be repeated in case of difficulty, or where simply detecting the error is helpful. For example, the SCSI and PCI both use parity to detect transmission error, and many microprocessor instruction keys include parity protection because the ICC data is just a copy of main memory. It can be disregarded and refetched if it is found to be corrupted. In serial data transmission, a common format is 7 data bits, an even parity bit, and 1 or 2 stop bits. This format accommodates all the 7-bit ISCI characters in an 8-bit byte order format are possible. 8 bits of data plus a parity bit can convert all 8-bit byte values. In serial communication context, parity is usually shared and checked by interface hardware, and on reception, the result mode available to a processor such as the CPU or I/2 for instance, the operating system, via a status bit in a hardware register in the interface hardware. Recovery from the error is usually done by transmitting the detail of which are usually handled by software or the operating system. When the total number of transmit bits, including the parity bit, is even, IDD parity has the advantage that the all zeros and all ones patterns are both listed as error. If the total number of bits is odd, only one of the patterns is detected as an error, and the choice can be made based on which it is expected to be the more common error. RAID array parity data is used by RAID arrays or redundant array of independent of inexpensive disks. To achieve redundancy, if I drive in the array files, remaining data on the other drivers can be combined with the parity data, or using the boolean SUR function to reconstruct the missing data. For example, suppose to drive in I3 drive RAID5 array contain the following data. The resulting parity data is then stored on drive 3. Should any of the drive file, the contents of the failed drive can be restructured on a replacement.